started in 1987. Two of my brothers were involved in some sort of a movement, mainly political. But they introduced me to a group of people who were drumming. They called it 지신밟기 because we're stepping on the stones and ground that link people together. You're pressing down the bad luck while jumping and dancing. You're bringing in the good luck. During the Japanese occupation, a lot of the Korean cultural stuff was all illegalized. And then it was brought back when the student movement brought a lot of the cultural stuff back. For the students, it reminds them that there's a community out there that they do a lot of the drumming for, and that they get to meet people face to face and share stories and enjoy each other's company.
One can't play without the other. It's just harmonious. And I like that philosophy of it. Like everyone playing together sounds much better.
You have to use three things: breathing, movement, and drum. In the music itself, there needs to be the sound of the heaven represented by the metal instruments, the gong and the gengari. And then there's the sound of the earth, which the 장구 and 북, leather and wood instrument represent. And when these two opposing forces come together, if there's no neutral charge or people's voice in the music, that it creates a havoc. Whereas if you insert people's sound in it, people's voice in it, it becomes music. Many people do 지신밟기 not only because of the fundraising part, but because of enjoying each other's company, drumming all day, talking about how the community is still there, having Korean culture, Korean pride, and celebrating it throughout the day. It energizes people for the rest of the year. The people, the stores that they visit reminds them the community is behind them, whether they do business within the Korean community or not.
우리 1.5세 2세들이 이렇게 우리나라 그 전통을 잊지 않기 위해서 이렇게 하는 게 너무 감사하지. 정말 이렇게 감사한 게 어딨어. 그러니까 우리나라 이 전통을 잊지 말고 항상 계승해.
When I was growing up, people would ask me, oh, what's it like being Korean? I didn't have the answers. Playing Puma as a second generation enabled me to know my root as a second generation, a sense of identity, a sense of belonging in a community, a sense of just giving good fortune to others. Like if a priest was to come and like, oh, I will bless your house. And during that time, it was a lot of fun because the Korean community was very small. It was very close. I remember everyone just having a good time, all smiles, people welcoming the players to come in, because you don't get that anywhere else. Like, I mean, they left their homeland in Korea to come to the States and make a living. And just getting that little reminder of home was so powerful. It's just something that we're able to give back to them.
하고요. 네, 저기 뭐야, 열심히 하세요.
열심히 하자!
학생들 수고들이 많고 좋은 일이에요. 이것이 학생들이 정체성을 발휘하는데 좋은 일로 보고 있고 계속 이런 일을 하기를 부탁드립니다.
As I was growing up, I spent a lot of time here. And out of the years, what's the odds of meeting a group of this, a joyful celebration, and I see this, and I see my grandpa's eye, tears coming to his eye. And then, excuse me.
It's okay.
And then I remember this every year, and it brings me a cheer, and remember my grandpa.